Good morning, my Edo people, all my fans, everyone that has subscribed for me. God bless you all. I really appreciate every one of you for subscribing to Fidelity Patrick YouTube channel. I appreciate every one of you. For those of you that have not yet subscribed, that have not yet been watching my video, please do. As you do, God will bless you. Your comment is also needed for improvement because this is one family, because I'm somebody that believes in love and unity and uprightness of life. This is Fidelity Patrick YouTube channel, my people. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, share my videos, like my videos, and also comment on my videos for improvement. God bless everyone that has subscribed for me, guys. I really appreciate. I appreciate every one of you. God Almighty, with his infinite mercy, bless every one of you in the name of Jesus Christ. My people, I want to quickly send this message to all the Edo-lights, Edo diaspora connect, all the Edo sons and daughters all over the world. I want to quickly send this message to you all concerning what is going on in Edo State. The politicians have ganged up themselves against the state. Because most of us, most of our sons and daughters in the diaspora don't really know what is going on in the state. Politicians in APC are fighting Obaseki. Politicians in PDP are fighting Obaseki because of stomach infrastructure, because of their own interests, not the interests of the people. They are the ones sponsoring those guys now, telling you this road is bad. They go to a remote place. They go to where the governor have not been able to reach. They go there and start telling you in Benin, there is bad road. In Benin, there is no security. I want to ask you, my people, the sons and daughters of Edo State, if the presidency, the federal government have not been able to protect the state, to protect the country, what do you think the governor will do? The governor have tried his best in area of insecurity by establishing local vigilantes, community vigilantes, to protect their what? Area. Now, you see what the politicians are doing now because of what they want Obaseki to do. In the PDP now, Obaseki is not doing it. That is why you see all this propaganda, all these protesters coming out. We are this, we are social association. Obaseki promised this. The only thing, Obaseki is forcing them to take vaccine. Obaseki is doing this. Obaseki is doing that. Those are the strategies of the APC who has lost their what? Their election. And those in PDP are now conniving with the politicians in the APC now to be troubling the state. Remember, after election, the Mize Iyamu group and Adam Soshomole, they succeeded in mobilizing other political party aspirants to take Obaseki to court, believing they are going to succeed in all those areas. After all sorts have done, now they couldn't succeed in court. They have started giving people money now to protest against Obaseki's regime. so that you and I will see Obaseki as a somebody that is not working, as a somebody that have forgot his promise, as a somebody that don't want to do something. They go to the area, Obaseki have been in power now, he have not been able to elect commissioner. Are we to tell Obaseki when to elect commissioner? How does that be our concern? If the politician said they are to bring their own people, and the governor seen it, that is not the best way to elect the commissioner that will work with him, why should he be in a hurry to elect commissioner? We know we need the commissioners to put things in place to be at work in the state. But that does not mean we should listen to all those glutton politicians, criminal politicians in Edo State, self-centered politicians that don't care for the people. Now we have a governor that have the people at heart. Please, my Edo sons and daughters, we should not be in hurry to start condemning Obaseki because of the propaganda of the politicians. I know their strategies because I have worked with politicians, I have been with politicians. I have been in a party for good 15, a party world executive for good 12 years. Party executive, world executive. In a party. Please, my people, all those things that you see is going on in Edo State now is the strategies of the politicians. This is how they destroy Nigeria. This is the reason why things are not working in that country. Those in power, those that lost election, those that are not in power will be mobilizing people, giving out money, fighting against the goodness of the people, fighting against those that want to develop the nation. That is why you see Nigeria is backward today, and somebody that does not go to school is their president. And all of them are still clapping hands because of their stomach infrastructure, because of their selfishness, because of their self-center. Today, they are trying gradually going, mobilizing their evil youth against the governor of Edo State. Is it only Edo State that is insecurity? Insecurity is in everywhere in the country. How many of you that have protested against Buhari? Insecurity are in all over the country. Go to north, insecurity. Go to southeast, southwest, south, insecurity. Is it Edo State that insecurity is growing rapid? Instead of every one of us now to come together and forget partisan and work together to make sure for the security and the unity of Edo State, they are giving the youth now money. They are coming out. We are so. We come out to protest against Obaseki. Obaseki is not doing well. All the promise he made. Why our youth are so cheap, so stupid to fall in the trap of those evil politicians? Why? They have given you people money now. You have started coming out again. That is why you see there is no good governance in Nigeria. This is how they destroy Ali regime, and they succeeded killing Ali today. You see all the propaganda they are doing now. They wanted to use Ishan people against Obaseki. They couldn't succeed now. They are using this road is not tied. When Adam Soshomole was in power, how many roads that was tied by Adam Soshomole? Is it all the road that be done by architect Mike Onolememe? That Adam Soshomole were claiming the glory then? Is it the road that you people are saying Adam Soshomole tied? Architect Mike Onolememe tied so many roads in Benin that Adam Soshomole claimed the glory because he pays some percentage to the work. My Edo people, we should not look at those evil youth protesters who are protesting against Obaseki regime. Obaseki is laying a foundation. Obaseki is totally disagree with godfatherism. Obaseki and Phyllis Shaibu want the best for the Edo people, and those politicians have rise again. Remember, when we was in this struggle, I make a video. I say a time will come, even in this PDP Obaseki is going now. The politician there will not allow Obaseki to work. We not allow Obaseki to do what he's supposed to do, because I know what they can do. Every protester you see in Benin now by the youth is being organized by evil politicians, stomach infrastructure politicians in Edo State. My people of Edo State, we should make Edo State great again. Let's support Obaseki. Let's organize ourselves again in encouraging Obaseki to continue the good work he has been doing. To continue doing it. Politicians have come again. How long are we going to continue like this in that so-called country? That is why you see the northern leader, the northern elite, the northern political evil leader are using all those our governors. Because they know how to what? To oppress them and use them. And why that is the reason you see the Northerners are claiming majority in Nigeria. Of which they are not a majority. Edo people now are now fighting Obaseki. Because one thing you people should understand, the APC government are sponsoring a lot of people in the PDP now to be causing mayhem in Edo State, to be causing distraction, to be causing confusion, to be causing problem in Edo State. They are the one organizing insecurity, sending their boys to begin to cause calamity in Edo State. We all know their work. We know what they are capable of doing. All those APC that lost election, none of them that is far away for the insecurity in Edo State. None of them that is far away from it. All of them, none of them that is far away from it. All those APC that lost election, so those, they are cankers. Them were Adams, Oshomole, and all the rest. None of them are far away from insecurity that is taking place in Edo State. The leaders, most people know of this. They can give Fulani herdsmen to cause mayhem in Edo State, so that people will be crying for insecurity in Edo State. They know all the bad guys. Some of them can be kidnapping in the highway and said it is Fulani herdsmen. Although we know Fulani herdsmen are everywhere. My Edo sons and daughters, all over the world, I'm sending this message to you people. Do not listen to all those Protestants sending, putting all those things in the media. Obaseki is not working. Obaseki is not working. Obaseki is forcing us to take vaccine. The man only make a presentation that the vaccine, that is the law. The federal government asks the governor to support them so that everybody in that place will take vaccine. In Europe now, what are they doing? There are some part in Europe. If you don't take vaccine, you cannot enter a restaurant. If you don't take vaccine, you cannot enter a bar. Some part of Europe. Then there is another one that is coming now. They said, if you don't take the vaccine, people that don't take the vaccine will not be working. It is your choice. Although the leaders of the whole world, they have what? They have disrespect human rights in this area of COVID-19. Because it's supposed to be a taste of the heart that individuals are willing to go and take that vaccine. Not forcing your people to take vaccine. My brothers and sisters all over the world. So, the vaccine Obaseki asked the people to take is not that he wants to force people to take the vaccine. You only make a presentation. You only make a presentation that people are not capitalizing. Obaseki want to force us to take vaccine. In Europe, is it not happen? Edo State youth. Why are you so cheap to the politicians? Because of peanut. Because of 10,000. Because of 5,000. They will ask you to destroy the state, your own state. that you know tomorrow all those things you are doing will later come back and fight you. Obaseki is better than Ize Iyamo and than Soshomole. No matter how they do now, Obaseki is 100% better than them. My brothers and sisters of this and the sons and daughters of Edo State, I beg every one of you, most of you that have started speaking against Obaseki, listen to that man Oranomigo talking rubbish. Oranomigo is not fighting for anybody. Oranomigo is making name. Oranomigo is trying to use the people to make name, and people are supporting him. Listening to Oranomigo, addressing people that have no integrity, people that have no sense of what a sense of feeling about human life. They are after their pocket. All those things you see that is coming up now, he's saying security. How many times has Oranomigo called Buhari now for the insecurity that is going on in Nigeria? In Benue, 30 people will be killed within 2 hours. All over in Zamfara and everywhere, Niger, they are killing people. Fulani herdsmen and bandits. Oranomigo, have you speak about that? Now your state that they are organizing, the governor have what? Implement community security, state security. What do you want the man to do? He should kill himself because there is insecurity in the state? Insecurity in the state is being caused by politicians. Insecurity in Nigeria is being caused by politicians. That is why you see the insecurity is not what? Going down. It's rising every day. Insecurity. It's being caused by the what? By the politician, by the government of Nigeria. Insecurity. And you are blaming the governor of your state? When are this man going to change, Oranomigo? Why are you blaming the governor of your state? A governor you do not vote for. A governor who you condemn? What concerns you concern his regime now? So my Edo sons and daughters all over the world, Obaseki is doing well. They should leave Obaseki alone. Obaseki is doing well. The politicians are the one mobilizing people now, giving them money to be protesting against Obaseki. Giving people money, go and put that road in the social media. Tell them Obaseki have no work. Obaseki is working, my people. He's developing institutions in Nigeria, in Edo State. Obaseki is a good governor. My people, the sons and daughters of Edo State, we should not give up just like that because of what those propaganda. That is how they remove President Jonathan. That everybody are not crying today. Jonathan is the best. It is the same Nigeria youth who come out in numbers and said Jonathan must go. Today, Jonathan has gone. Look at the situation you are. Look at the situation in Nigeria. Why is our youth like this? Taking peanut because of hunger and begin to fight against light. May God forgive you people. Thank you, my Edo sons and daughters. Please watch this video. Share it to people. Share this video to reach everybody. God bless you.